And on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, you're probably wondering, well, how do I glaze the outside of the bowl? We only showed us the inside. So the inside of our bowl, it's got glaze. This is dry. There's a little bit of wet spots. That's all right. I'm going to stick my hand in there. I'm going to hold it like this, because our bucket is not big enough so I dip my whole pot in there. So here's how we're going to do that. Glaze is all mixed up. I'm going to turn my wrist like this. I'm going to slowly pour the glaze right where I want it to go. And you notice where I waxed it, it's not sticking. All right, come all the way around here. Did I miss a spot? No, I didn't miss a spot. If I did, I'd get it like that. And boom. It's real important. If there's any glaze up here, wipe it off. Don't let it stick all around here too. Nice line of waxing right there. Now we're done with this part.